You ever have one of those brilliant ideas, for a business or maybe a portfolio or even just a blog, but then the thought of actually building a website just stops you dead in your tracks? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on something called WebSolutions Cloud. It's a platform designed to get those ideas of yours online and, yeah, for free. So let's just tackle the big myth right out of the gate. Do you honestly think that you need to be some kind of tech wizard, someone who speaks fluent code, just to build a professional-looking website? If that thought has ever crossed your mind, trust me, you are not alone. It's probably the biggest misconception out there. And that myth is so powerful because for a really long time, it was basically true. Getting a website felt like navigating this maze of complicated code or facing the insane cost of hiring developers and just a painfully slow process from start to finish. It's enough to make anyone just put that great idea on the shelf. But what if there was a totally different way? A much simpler, way more direct path to bring your vision to life online? Well, let's meet the solution to all those old frustrations. WebSolutions Cloud. Okay, so what is this thing exactly? To put it simply, WebSolutions Cloud is what's called a content management system. Its entire mission is to let you build a stunning modern website super fast. And the best part? Absolutely no coding skills, no previous experience needed, none. And this slide really says it all. I mean, look, on the left, you've got the old way, wrestling with code, spending big bucks on designers, and waiting weeks, sometimes even months, to see anything. But then on the right, you have the WebSolutions Cloud way. It's all drag and drop, there's a completely free option to get started, and you can be live in minutes. It's a total game changer, for real. All right, that all sounds great, but how does it actually work? What's under the hood that makes it all so easy? Let's take a look at the toolkit. And it really is this simple. First, you just start a new project. Then, instead of staring at a scary blank page, you get to pick from all these professionally designed layouts and building blocks. From there, you just drag and drop your own text, your own images, right into place. You see all the changes as they happen, live. And when you like how it looks, you just hit publish. That's it, you're online. And this platform is packed with some serious tools, even on the free plan. You've got that real-time editor we talked about, the pre-made design blocks, a form builder to capture leads, and even a pop-up builder. But check this out, this is the really cool part. There's an external pop-up tool. That means you can build a pop-up in here and then put it on any other website you have, like a WordPress or a Wix site. That is incredibly versatile. Okay, I know what you're probably thinking right now. We've thrown around the word free a bunch, and that word, well, it often comes with a catch, right? So let's just tackle that skepticism head on. Let's talk about the cost. This is the big question, isn't it? When a company says something is totally free, what are you really getting? Is it just a short trial? Are there going to be hidden fees when you actually try to publish your site? Let's get crystal clear on what they mean. So here's the breakdown, and honestly, it's pretty impressive. On the free plan, you get the full website builder, not a watered-down version. You get secure hosting, they handle that for you. You get a UMG Web Solutions subdomain, so your site is online instantly. You get the form and pop-up builders we just saw, and you can even add team members. You pay absolutely nothing to both create and host your website. So the bottom line is this: the cost is zero. A big fat zero. Not for a trial period, not for a limited time. It's free, forever. That's the whole philosophy behind this platform, making it possible for anyone to get online. So, with the barriers of cost and all that technical complexity just gone, the only thing left is your idea. So let's talk about getting started and what the future looks like. And this is important to know. This is a young, really dynamic platform. They're committed to making it better all the time. The team is constantly rolling out updates, and they're working on huge new features like stories and funnels. So by joining now, you're getting in on a platform that's going to grow and evolve right there with you. Which really brings us to this simple truth. With a free plan this good that's free forever, you have genuinely absolutely nothing to lose. You can sign up, play around with it, build a whole website, and just see for yourself if this no-nonsense approach works for your project. So we end right back where we started, with your great idea. It deserves a home online where people can find it. The tools are here, they're free, and they're waiting for you. You can experience the joy of making something amazing with zero coding needed, ever. So the only question left is, are you ready to build it?